In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the menus option in Shopify admin. Shopify has recently updated parts of its admin layout, and a lot of store owners have been a bit confused about where their navigation menus went. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly where to find the menu section and what you can expect to see once you're there. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and that you're on your store's main admin dashboard. This is the page you usually see right after you log in, with an overview of your store's performance, orders, and suggestions from Shopify. If you're not there, just head to your store's admin URL and sign in, and you'll land on that dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical column with different options such as home, orders, products, and other admin areas. With the recent updates, the place where menus live has changed, and that's what trips people up. In that left-hand column, look for the option labeled Content and click on it. This is the key step. In older versions of Shopify, menus were found under different sections like Online Store and Navigation, but now they've been grouped under Content. So if you've been clicking around and not finding them, this is where you need to be. After you click on Content, you'll be taken to a page that shows a few different content-related tools. You should see 4 main options here. Among those options, look for the one labeled Menus. It's typically the third option in that list. Go ahead and click on Menus. As soon as you do that, you'll be inside your menu settings area. This is where all of your store's navigation menus are managed. You'll see your main menu, your footer menu, and if you're using it, the customer account main menu. These are the menus that control the links at the top of your site, in the footer, and in your customer account area. From this same screen, you can also create a new menu using the button in the top right corner. That's useful if you're setting up special navigation for landing pages, promotions, or additional sections of your store. And that's all there is to it. By going to your Shopify dashboard, clicking on Content in the left-hand column, and then selecting Menus, you can quickly access and manage all of your store's navigation menus in the updated Shopify admin.